Caseology Cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to Caseology for sending these cases over. So let's dive right in. First case is the Caseology Parallax for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Here's the box, Caseology branding, Caseology on the side, nothing on this side. On the bottom you have your part number there, Midnight Blue, made in South Korea. Nothing on top. And then on the back, you have your Caseology logo, and I'm gonna get in here. Go ahead and read that if you want to. Now, inside the box, you get this. Welcome to the club, we're happy to have you, Caseology. Then on the back, Caseology logo. And then Caseologycases.com. Make sure you check out their website. And then some more information here. Cool. And then this blue one, this blue Parallax, I've been using on my S20 Plus for the last couple days. I'd have to say that I've been liking it so far. Now from the front, it's gonna look like this. This is the blue colorway, so it's gonna look like this on the S20 Plus, and on the back, it's gonna look like this. Camera cutout right there, nice and wide open. And this has a honeycomb pattern. Depending on how the light hits it, it's gonna look a certain way. So have a look at that. Almost like a holographic kind of effect to it. Caseology branding here on the bottom. And then let's see. On the side, this is clean. Caseology branding here on this part of the case. So you can see. On the bottom, you have your cutouts, mic, USB Type-C, speaker. This side of the case, Bixby/power button, volume rocker on top, microphone cutout. Feels really good. It still maintains the thinness of the phone, as you can see. Not a very bulky case at all. And the material, the rubberized coating that Caseology uses here is really grippy. Yeah, this is really grippy right here. I love it, man. I love it. We'll check out the power button. Nice and clicky. And then also the volume. Clicky as well. I still do have the screen protector that comes factory on the S20 Plus on the phone, and it works great with that. No lifting of the protector or anything. Let's go ahead and test out the wireless charge. Should work. I hope I have enough charge on my fast charge brick. And as you can see, the wireless charging works. Cool, so this one is the Parallax in blue. All right, so this one is the Parallax for the S20 Plus in their, what is this? Pink or purple colorway. All right, the box is the same as previously. So I'm just gonna zoom through this. Get this out, and then this is the case. Whoa, now this looks pretty. For my female viewers out there, looking for something like this. Very nice, very pretty. Oh, let's check out the inside of the case. Let's not forget about the inside, right? Look at that cool pattern. That's nice. And then on the inside, this one says Caseology right there, and this says Parallax series for Samsung. And what does that say? Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. That's what that says. Let's go ahead and put the device on, and we'll check it out. Okay. Now from the front, it's gonna look like this, right? You can see the border of the case in this color. You flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Check that out. Same thing as before, Caseology branding and everything. So let's just have a look. And then let's look at the front lip. Phone just vibrated for some reason. Wonder why. We'll take a look at the front lip. Got a little bit of a front lip here. So you should have decent amount of lay on the table design. And also on the back too, I forgot about that. On the back, raise over the camera module, so you can see. So if you drop your phone and it lands in this area, you should be a little bit protected as well. I'm digging this one. All right, let's look at the next case. This one is the Parallax in all black. Now this should be clean. This should look hella clean. If you have the cosmic gray like this one or the black S20, and you want a simple look, all black. Once you go black, right? Look at this. Nice. Very subtle, very sleek. At the same time, you can still see the design there depending on how the light hits it. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. I am gonna like this one. Let's put it on. We'll have a quick look. All right, here we go. From the front, now see how this case just blends in with the black front of the Galaxy S20 Plus. Love it. From the back, it's gonna look like this. Hella clean, all black, nice and simple. If you have the black S20, it's gonna look even better, in my opinion. Have a quick look. Caseology logo there and everything. Cutouts. Caseology branding on this side of the case, right there, so you can see. And then on top, you cut out for your mic. Cool. Same rubberized coating on the border here. Nice and grippy, nice and thin. Check that out. Feels like a credit card. I love it, man. I love it. Let's go ahead and just do that. And the wireless charging should work. I hope it does. Caseology Parallax. Black, pink, or the blue one. You pick. All right, solid flex crystal. We'll have a look. Ooh, all clear. All clear. All right, here we go. TPU case. Look at how clear that is. See my hand right through. See the phone right through. If you want to show off your phone, if you have the pink S20, the blue one, or this gray one, and you just want to show off the color, look at that, how crystal clear this is. Cut out. Check out the rays. So your module should be protected in case of a drop. Okay, nothing on this side, nice and clean, except for this Caseology branding here. That part of the case. On the bottom, you have your cutouts. Have a look. On this side, your Bixby / power button, volume rocker. On top, you have your cutout for your microphone. No cutout here for the SIM. Now the case does raise up a little bit on each corner. I don't know if you can see that on camera. A little bit of a raise here to protect your phone from a corner drop or corner impact, which is great. Really grippy in my hand right now. Nice and grippy. We'll take a look at the front lip. You have a little bit of front lip there for a little bit of lay on the table design. I do have the screen protector that's installed from the factory here, and I don't see any interference with that. I think this was already there on the corner right there. But yeah, it should work with the factory screen protector. We'll check out the button. Oh man. Nice and clicky on the buttons, and then the volume as well. Yeah, the volume you have to press a little bit harder, but it's not too bad. There's a little raise there, you can feel it with your finger. And then we'll test out the charging. Should work, right? If I turn this on, now it'll work. There you go. So this one is the Solid Flex Crystal by Caseology for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. All right, Skyfall Flex for the S20 Plus. Looks like this is the pink one. We'll have a look. Put that to the side, and here it is. This is your clear hybrid case. So it's part TPU, and the border here is a polycarbonate TPU, or just polycarbonate, aka plastic if you want to call it that. This is in their pink colorway. Have a look. And then here we go. Oh, look at that. If you want to show off your phone, let's say you have the pink one, right? Get this case, the border will match that pink phone perfectly. All right, we'll take a look at the rays here for the camera module. Should be protected if you drop it in that area. Caseology branding here on the back. On the side, this area is clean except for Caseology right there. On the bottom, you have your cutouts, so have a look at that. Nice. On the sides here, power/Bixby button, volume rocker, and then here we have a cutout for your microphone. Feels pretty good. Feels thin like a credit card still, so it's not a bulky case. Still works with a factory screen protector. I don't know what that is. I think, you know what? I think that might be the plastic on the phone still, on the frame. We'll have to go check it out. Have a look at the buttons. Oh, nice. Clicky button. And then we'll check out the power, or the volume rocker, sorry. Yeah, it works as it should. Cool. Front lip design. You have a little bit of a front lip there. And then we'll check out the wireless. Works as it should. So this one's the Skyfall Flex by Caseology for the S20, S20 Plus. Skyfall Flex in blue for the S20 Plus. Let's go. Okay, put that to the side. And this is the case. Same thing as the other one, except this is blue. Now, let me pause real quick and yeah, see? It's a little plastic right here. So we'll just go ahead and take this off. Yeah, this doesn't belong on the phone. My bad, I forgot. I didn't notice that one. Cool. Nice and clean, and then on top, there's some more on top too, but we'll just leave that on there. Cool, all right. This is the case. We'll take the S20. We'll slap it on. May have to go behind the camera. Super tight fit on this one. And have a look. From the front, it's gonna look like this. Semi-transparent on the border, if you like that kind of look. From the back, it's gonna look like this. Woo, look at that. Nice and clear. No oily effect or anything. Now, this will look best if we have the blue Galaxy S20. It'll match perfectly with this blue, or even the pink one. So you have a pink and blue kind of look, if that's what you want. Yeah, it looks good back here. Looks pretty good. Caseology branding on the bottom. So you can see, camera bump, protected. The side is clean, except for Caseology here, on that part of the case. On the bottom, you have your cutouts for your ports, etc. Speaker, mic. This side of the phone, power/Bixby, volume rocker, microphone cutout on top. Nice and grippy TPU, and this rubberized coating they use here on the border feels nice. Still feels pretty thin, like a credit card, so not a bulky case. And we'll take a look at the front lip. You do have a little bit of a layout in the table design. All right, and then of course, we'll test this out. It should function, and it charges the phone as it should. Next up, we have a Skyfall Flex. This one's in black. Let's check this one out right now. Let's have a quick look. All right, throw that to the side, and then here's the case. Same thing as the other one, two-part case. Clear and black. So if you have the black one or this gray one, it's gonna look pretty good. All right, gonna go behind the camera again. Nice and snug fit, and then I'm gonna go like this and check this out. Ooh, this looks really good actually. Got the clear and then the black on the border. Yeah, nice. Flip it over, it's gonna look like this. Now this looks really good back here. Nice and glossy, hella shiny, very nice. Nice and clean. Caseology branding on the bottom. We'll check out the camera hump. Same thing as before, it's protected. This part of the case is clean except for Caseology right there. On the bottom, you have your cutouts. Power/Bixby, volume rocker, microphone up top. We'll check out the lay on the table design. This rubberized coating is nice and grippy. Buttons are clicky also. And then we'll check out the wireless. Sure, turn this on and then just lay the phone down. It should work, and it does. Our next case is the Caseology Vault for the S20 Plus by Caseology. All right, let's go. Let's go. Have a look. Throw that to the side. Flick that to the side, and this is the case. Now this one is just a TPU case, all right? No two-piece or anything with this one. Inside of the case, you have that cool pattern again. And then on the bottom, Caseology, and then this one says Caseology Vault series for Samsung, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. That's what that says. Cool. Take my S20 Plus. From the front, it's gonna blend in perfectly with the black front of the S20 Plus, and then the back's gonna look like this. Nice and simple. You have a little bit of design here on the upper third of the phone, kind of like a pixel. Take a look at the camera hump. The side of the phone is clean. Caseology here again on that part of the case. On the bottom, you have your cutouts. On this side, power/Bixby, your volume rocker, microphone right there. Pretty good lay on the table design on this one. Nice. And then the buttons. Oh, these are really clicky. Yeah, I think out of all the cases, I think these are the most clickiest one. So if clicky buttons are very important to you, I'd probably rank this case up top. We'll turn on the wireless charge and then lay the phone down. And wireless charging works. Our next case is another Caseology Vault. Open the box, get the case, throw the plastic away, throw that away, and this is the case. Again, you have that pattern on the inside. Says the same thing as previously as before, so have a look. Burgundy color. Actually, what is the color of this officially? Yeah, burgundy, duh. I thought it'd have some fancy name, but it's just burgundy. All right, from the front, it's gonna look like this. You can see the burgundy border of the case. Nice. You flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like that. Have a design on the upper third of the phone, similar to a pixel. Caseology branding on the bottom. We'll check out the camera hump. You have some protection there, okay? This side of the phone is clean. Caseology branding here. As you can see, on the bottom, you have your cutouts for your ports, etc. Power/Bixby, volume rocker, microphone. Feels really good to hold. Not a bulky case, so it still feels thin like a credit card, which is nice. The front lip, pretty good lay on the table design actually on this one. It's not bad. And then the buttons, if clicky buttons are your thing, consider this one or this black one. These have the clickiest buttons. We'll go check out the wireless charge, make sure I turn this on, and then lay the phone down. Charges as it should. Boom. So these are Caseology cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. If you're interested in any of these cases, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. And once again, I want to say a special thanks to Caseology for sending these cases over to review. Look at that, nice. Thanks for watching, peace out.